To Quick Shift Fitness. Today, let's take a look at the simple floor abs movement combined with controlled breathing help activate your abdominal muscle, especially the ones that act like natural corset around your waist. These exercises don't strain your body, instead they support healing by rebuilding strength from inside out. When practiced consistently, floor core work improves stability, supports your spine, enhances posture, and gradually helps reduce abdominal separation over time. The key is slow, mindful movement, not rushing or forcing. Postpartum healing is a process of rebuilding, not bouncing back. You created life, now it's time to restore your strength gently, confidently, and at your own pace. During pregnancy, your abdominal muscles stretch and separate to make space for your baby. This separation, known as Diastasis Recti, can leave you with soft belly bulge, lower back discomfort, and reduced core strength. But your body is built to recover. Right now, recovery isn't about intense workouts. It's about gentle floor-based core exercises that help you reconnect safely.